Whitetails sent me a tent to try out. So they've sent me this for free. I'm going to try and give an honest review on it. It's 1.5 kilograms. It's advertised as a one person, but I got it out briefly in the house, and you could have 2 people on it side by side. It'd be a bit of a squish, right? Let's have a little look at the pegs it comes with. So black, same as the tent again, with orange bits so you can find them easily in the grass. Guy lines are fairly standard sort of paracord. It's not the thickest, but it's not the thinnest. I don't know, it's alright. It's not the best quality. We'll see when it's up now. Just need to peg the 4 corners out. I think there's just 4 pegs either side, and then we're ready to raise it up now. Well, what I'm going to do is attach it to these trees. It does come with guy lines. What I recommend is just bring a couple of bungees with you. It makes it way easier. Not very dense woods, this one, see? And there was a tree right next to it. That would have been better. No, I don't think so. You know what I'm going to do? It shows the different options as well, then. That's looking pretty cool. We've just come around to the back. So it looks like there's a big air vent along the bottom. Yeah, so then I suppose you could have it wide open, or you could bring it right down to close it up. I think I'll put it quite wide open for now, so we can get some airflow through there. I've got one guy line tie out point at the back. Got a lot of extra pegs here. I'm wondering why we need so many. It's good to have extras. It just shows the versatility of it, because you can use a stick, you can use the bungee, or you could use the guy line to the tree. Let's have a little look inside then. Couple of velcros on the way up. Okay, there it is. It's got plenty of extra pegs. There's quite a lot of space in here. So this is what I call 1.5 skin. So you've got your outer here, then you've also got a mesh door with a small porch. This doubles as a canopy. You use your walking poles or trees again. I'll show you that in a second. Oh. Okay, so this is definitely a two-man. You could have two people sleeping next to each other. It's long enough for me, I'm 6 foot tall, but you have got to watch out for condensation on single skins. Try to combat it by giving it massives of ventilation. So the ventilation right the way along. So it should combat it. There's a little pocket in the corner. Anything that side? Same again now, look. First impressions, quite like it. I think it's going to be waterproof. It's polyester 210T, which is, that's just the standard. They always use this for, it's not ultralight material, but you know it's going to be strong, hard wearing and waterproof. Seems like it's the same material on the floor as the top. Would have been better if that was a little bit stronger. Your bathtub, an inch or two. Okay, that works alright. I have to have a guy line coming off this. Okay, I like it. That really gives you a massive porch under here. This probably comes out at least 1.5 meters. There's a hanger here for a lantern, but there's not one down the other end. Now if you had two of these, you could make a washing line across inside.